Today I'm going to show you how to clone a proven software business and charge $300 to $500 per month per client, even if you're a total beginner to the online marketing space. Have no prior tech skills, no marketing experience, and have never made a single dollar online before. And I'm going to show you how to do it all within the next 10 minutes by cloning a real, proven business that has been named to the Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing companies in America multiple years in a row. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what their business model is, what services they offer, how much they charge, and how you can go literally clone it and get started for $0. All I ask is that you smash the like button, and if you're brand new to the channel, tap that subscribe button so you stay notified of every new video I drop. Before we dive into the services and price points, I want to break down the business model itself because this is the part that most people completely miss. What this company is doing is selling to small local businesses. They're offering them simple plug and play marketing systems, and they're charging those business owners $300 to $500 per month per client. And the magic of this model is that it creates monthly recurring revenue. So you're not selling your time as a service, but you're selling your software as a service. Make the sale once and they keep paying you every single month, so that at the beginning of every month, you're not starting at zero. That right there is the thing that kills most entrepreneurs. This model gives you consistency, stability, and peace of mind that the cash flow is going to keep on coming in. Now that you understand the business model, let's dive into the actual products and price points and exactly how you can clone it yourself, even if you have zero marketing experience and can't write a single line of code. So I'm going to show you this exact multi-billion-dollar business. I'm going to show you exactly what they offer, for what price points. You can just copy and paste this entire business, even with no money to get started. So the business that we're going to be looking at here is called Podium. And what Podium does is they help small local business owners, think chiropractors, electricians, real estate agents, dentists, orthodontists, and they help them with their online marketing so that they can get found online. And the crazy thing is, if we take a look here, if we just type in Google, just Podium valuation, we can see that by November of 2021, and so this is 5 years ago, they were valued at over $3 billion. And they had raised $100 million total from investors. But the cool thing for you is I'm going to show you how you can get started 100% for free. No money to get started, no marketing experience, no tech skills. And I'll show you how to get clients and how to fulfill for these clients with the exact offers and price points that Podium offers. So that way we know how we're going to be helping these small local businesses with their marketing. So we're just going to come over here to solutions, and you can see right here they have your review management. So review management is being able to get more 5-star reviews that you can see on Google and Facebook, because the more 5-star reviews a business has, the more likely they're going to show up at the top of the search results, and the more people are going to find them. And people are looking for more businesses with more 5-star reviews. Then we come over here to leads and phones and calling and SMS messaging, having the ability to capture leads from their website. And then we come over here, we've got payments, automations, integrations, a mobile app, AI employees, AI sales consultant. This is basically just being able to manage inbound calls and outbound calls, leveraging AI. And then we have your text marketing, your contact profiles, your saved surveys, which is the way that you can store all of the contacts that you have of past clients, future clients, potential clients, all in one simple location. Now, you might be looking at all this and be thinking, well, I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code or be able to build out a product just like this. And if you're thinking that, don't worry, because I'm going to show you guys here in just a minute or two how to clone this exact software in a matter of minutes, even if you have no marketing experience, no tech skills, and you can do it for free to get started. So unlike a lot of these gurus that are making you spend $2,000 to $5,000 in some courses and coaching and then go and buy their software, I'm going to show you how to do all this 100% for free. And as I mentioned earlier, if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and also consider subscribing to the channel if you're brand new here. I'm going to hook you up with the private link to unlock my free course, my templates, scripts, and how to make this exact business happen. So now that we know what they offer, let's check out what their pricing model is. So what they charge here on the base plan, they call it the core, is $399 per month. I know it doesn't say that here. And this is monthly recurring revenue, which is kind of the holy grail to business these days. Then we don't have to start at zero at the beginning of every single month, which brings us a ton of peace of mind as an entrepreneur. And then their next plan up, which is the Pro, is going to be $599 per month. And so if you think about this, we can simply do the math. If we get 1 client, 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients, and as we start to scale and grow, this is building monthly recurring revenue, which is the best thing on the planet. So let me show you exactly how we're going to clone this exact software and have a professionally designed website. So let me go ahead and pull up the website. This is the website right here. So this is the website right here. Now, if you come over here to products, we've got chat widgets, we've got reviews, we've got AI agents, your payments, your missed call text back, which they don't even have, your automations, your campaigns for paid ads, and your reporting. And you can see that this is all professionally designed. And the cool thing is I've made this in a way where all you have to do is come in here, switch in and out of your logo, connect your domain, and then I'll show you here in just a minute that you just connect your own payment processor and you get to keep 100% of the payments that you make when you make a sale. So there's no commission splits, there's no splitting this with any software company or anyone else. You get 100% of the payments. So this website template right here, if you want to use this, it's inside of my free course. Like I said, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll get you that free course. I'll get you that website template. And honestly, everything is already pre-built, pre-done for you. You just switch in and out of your logo, of your domain, which I also show you how to do inside the free course. And it's all ready to go for you. And so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be white labeling a pre-built software. So what white labeling means is instead of going through on, let's say, Podium's website, and instead of having Podium as their logo or podium.com as their URL, we're gonna have your logo right here and your URL right here. And we're going to be able to leverage this pre-built, pre-coded software that literally offers all of the exact same things that Podium does. So you can see over here that we've got marketing, we've got automations, and then down here we've got reputation. So if we click on this one, this is one of the core things that Podium offers and what they started with. So we can go through, click on settings over here, and we come down to review link. And so this is a demo account, so I haven't set any of this up yet. But you'll be able to help them get more 5-star reviews on Facebook and Google, be able to add those into your review link. And no, these are not fake spam reviews. These are just sending out emails and text reminders to past clients that maybe just came into their office and just reminding them, hey, did you have a good experience? Go through and leave them a review. And then if we come back to Podium and go over to solutions, they have these AI employees, which the cool thing is with your reviews, you have this reviews AI. And so we can turn this on for auto responses and we can say, hey, do we want to send out this review request? And we can have AI communicate back and forth with a potential client and it's all set up. You don't have to do anything besides help the client connect their Google account and their Facebook account, which is simply logging into their accounts to connect it to this automation software. And that is all you need to do to make this happen. And then if we come back and go over to solutions, we see they've got payments right here and automations and different integrations. So if we come back here over to the software, we've got payments, we've got automations. And then if we go down to settings, we can check out the different integrations that this software has and connect it with other apps that these small business owners are already using. So the software will literally do everything you need to help these small business owners with their marketing and pay you on a monthly recurring basis. And I also have an extended 30-day free trial to the software, which I will hook you up with, plus a free live bootcamp where we're gonna jump on Zoom and help you set this entire business up for free in about 45 minutes. That way you're ready to start getting clients and fulfilling for them. So just make sure that you've smashed the like button, dropped a comment down below so I can share with you that private link that's going to get you the free step-by-step course, the professionally designed website template, plus the live bootcamp where we're going to help you set everything up. Now, I love this business model because it creates monthly recurring revenue, like I mentioned. But the best part is that a lot of these services are just a simple one-time setup. They take maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes to set up once, and then they're delivering real results for the business owner. And because of that, they're going to want to keep paying you every single month. So I hope you're able to see how powerful this is and that you're already thinking of the business owners that you're actually going to be able to help them grow. And like I said, if you just smash the like button, comment down below, I'll share with you the private link to my free step-by-step course, no upsells, plus the website template, extended free trial, and live bootcamp, where you'll even get a one-on-one kickoff call to make sure everything is set up the right way. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new here, consider subscribing. I post new videos every single week on how to start a business, how to grow that business, how to get more clients, and most important of all, how to make more money. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.